How to duplicate a Shopify store in 2024. So I'm on the admin page of Shopify here, and we're going to use the search bar to search for Duplify, written like so. Here, if you don't see it, we want to search for Duplify in the Shopify App Store, and I'll show you how this application works as well. So this is what it looks like. Duplify, duplicate your store, and we're simply going to click on install here. Now it's obviously going to ask us for permission to install. It's gonna tell us what it needs access to. I'm just going to click on install here, and it will begin setting it up for us. So it might take a little bit of time to set up, but it's going to look like this. Welcome to Duplify, connect stores. I want to export data out, or I want to export data to this store. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on start export here because we wanna export our data. So it's gonna look like this, and this is where we will export our web store to. So for example, this is the destination store unique key, and if you click on this eye icon here, then it will show us where we can find this. If we click on it, it's going to look like this. Find your destination key, and you can find it through this info here. So basically, after we have input the destination key, we will have to type out the store name and a notification email here. Now from the second option, we will choose export options. So depending on what we want to export here, so we can export meta fields, products, collections, customers, orders, all of these things here that you want. So we can export all of those to our new Shopify store. And the last step is choosing our plan here. So what plan you want to use to export your store. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.